Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see display driver stopped responding and has recovered. So how we can fix it? First of all, you need to go to search tab. Also, you know, I do it from Windows 10, but in Windows 7 it's the same. So just write reg edit here. Here you will find Registry Editor. Just choose it, click yes. And here you can see you need to open HKey local machine, system folder, current control set folder, and here you will find folder with name graphics. So sorry, but in Windows 10 I haven't this folder, but I will do it with folder software, but you will do it with folder graphics. So just right click on it, and here you choose new, and you choose the word 32-bit value, and now you just write TDR delay and just click enter. So now just right click on it and choose modify and value data 6 and just click enter. So after you do it, just restart your computer and everything will work and you won't have this error again. So thanks for watching, but don't forget that you must do it only in folder graphics. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.